Good morning, students. We were discussing about the lesson land resources and agriculture. So in the series today we will be discussing about cropping seasons in India. But before that, let us revise the system pattern of farming. We have two types of farming pattern. One is subsistence farming and another type that is very famous now, that is commercial farming. Let us discuss one by one. First is subsistence farming, that is done by the primitive man. Though now also in the eastern state it is done, primitive farming. You all understand by the word primitive, that was done by the early farming, early man. Yes, what he do, in primitive farming, the man, what he was doing shifting cultivation. Yes, and you all know about the shifting cultivation, that the man, when he was a nomadic, yes, he was shifting from one place to another. At that time he was habitual of doing this type of cultivation. Yes, in the forest he cut a piece of land, he cut that forest, then burn it and mix with the soil. This process he used to do before rainfall. Yes, so when he mix the soil, ash with the soil, and when it rains, then what happens, that ash is mixed properly in the soil and the fertility increases. But he, at that time, he don't use to save them or to store them. Yes, he just use it for the family purpose. No commercial crop, no for the commercial purpose it was used. Only he was just growing the crops and using for the family purpose. 2-3 years he grow the crops, and when the fertility decreases, he moves to another forest or take the another piece of land. And that is why it was called shifting cultivation. In the 10th class also you have read many names are given to this type of cultivation. Very famous name, jhuming cultivation, is done. Still in India, in the eastern states, it is practiced still. Okay, and in the nomadic herding, another type of farming, in that what agriculture plus animal rearing. Farmer was not only completely depending upon the agriculture, but he was using animals product also for the dairy purpose. Yes, at that time he has learned to use the both. So that time both agriculture and animal rearing, that both is included in the nomadic herdings. Okay, but now which crop is famous, or which crop is more practiced, that is commercial farming. And you all know, in commerce it is what it is done, money, economy, money is seen, economy is seen. Okay, so the farming that is based for the economic purpose, that is commercial farming. In this we have two types of farming, mixed farming and plantation. In mixed farming, all fruits plus flowers plus agriculture of crops plus animals, when all these are included, it is called mixed farming. But in plantation, what happens, on a large piece of land, plants are planted in the row. Yes, they are planted for growing single crop, and that is used for selling. Yes, they are earning the money out of it. Here also you can see when you go for the marriages home na, in this side you see many gooseberry plants are there. Yes, in the large farm house gooseberry, आंवले के पेड़ आपको इधर इधर आप शादी के लिए जाते हो ना, तो आपको क्या दिखाई देता है, बहुत सारे फील्ड्स में आंवले के पेड़ होते हैं. दैट इज़ कि वो कोई जंगल नहीं है आंवले का, दैट दे आर प्लांटेड देयर. ओके, सो दैट इज़ प्लांटेशन. When we are growing the single crop on a large piece of land for the commercial purpose. Examples are tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber. Okay, all these are included in this type of farming. Now we will be discussing about cropping pattern in India. In India we have three types of cropping pattern. We have Rabi crops, Kharif crop and Zaid crops. Okay, for this what you have to understand, the time of sowing time, harvesting time, which group crops are included and what are the areas. Though we will be discussing separately that what is the temperature, what are the requirements, what are the features of that. So accordingly you will be able to learn in which area which crops is grown. Okay, in Rabi you have wheat, barley, peas, gram, oil seeds. Okay, here understand, in your class, in your subjects it is divided into two, in the northern state as well as in the southern state. Okay, Kharif separately you can write like Rabi crop, sowing time. I will send you this PDF after your exams, because this is the last video, then after that you are not getting any video. After the exams you will be getting, so I will just revise it again and at that time I will be sending it. So sowing time of Rabi crop is October to December. Okay, I have learned like this. My birthday comes in October now, so I have learned like this. October, then I take 3 months, October, November, December. Its harvesting time, leave 1 month, then leave January. Its harvesting time will be Feb to April. Yes, December, leave January, February, March, April. Again 3 months are taken. This I was talking about Rabi crop. Sowing time October to December, harvesting time February to April. Okay, crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, oil seeds. Areas in Rajasthan or in India, yes, of Rabi crops, areas are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and UK, Uttarakhand. Okay, how you can learn this? These all lies in the northern part of India. Yes, you all have learned the map of India. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Okay, all these lies in the northern part of India. So what it is? It is all about Rabi crops. Then let me discuss about the Kharif crop. Sowing time from May to July, you can say. If you have written June to September, that is also not wrong. Okay, then harvesting time, leave 1 month, July, leave 1 month. August you have left, then September to October. May, June, July, 3 months are there. Harvesting time, leave 1 month, September, October. Okay, this is taken here. Harvesting time. Crops are rice, maize, jowar, bajra, sugarcane, jute. These are the crops. Areas included in it are, now see, Assam, West Bengal, I will just write WB, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra, plus coastal areas of Odisha. Northern part was included in the Rabi crops. This you can see only Assam lies in the eastern parts, Assam and West Bengal, and these all lies in the southern part. Okay, so mostly the southern part is included in the Kharif crop. You can learn like this, eastern and southern part. And another type we have Zaid crops. Sowing time it is April, June. At that time only, see, this sowing time and harvesting time both are same. And understand the crops are watermelon, cucumber. Okay, these are included. अब आपको पता है watermelon in the June only, April, May, June. Now you are getting, है ना? So दिस इज़ द सोइंग टाइम ऑल्सो, हार्वेस्टिंग टाइम. इनकी जो पैदावार होती है वो ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत 3 महीने तक लगेगा. नो, इट गिव्स द रिजल्ट वेरी क्विकली. ओके, सो बोथ आर इंक्लूडेड इन द सेम टाइम. So these are the cropping pattern that we see in India. In the next video we will be discussing about others. So in this video I have told about farming, subsistence farming and commercial farming. In subsistence farming we have read about primitive farming, nomadic herding, shifting cultivation. See, one thing more I want to tell about that. You have intensive farming also. In that, though the population is growing rapidly, but this agricultural area is not increasing. So we have force on this land only. Okay, so by after 1960s, when we have used green revolution, after that the production is increased because we are using new technologies, HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers and many more things, and we are on this same piece of land we have grown the food production is higher. Okay, so this is also intensive farming including that, and commercial farming we have read about mixed farming and plantation. Okay, so in the next video we will be discussing another things.